All right, guys. So today is one of those funny days when everything could happen. Everything at all. So here we are, the heroes of the universe. But I will tell you this, because things are going crazy in the world today. Let's see what's going on. Can I still bring some smoke to the mirrors? Is it gonna work? Is it one of those days when... Ah, there it is. It never fails. Never fails. Love it. Anyway, so I was gonna say, you guys have to stop calling Eli, the computer guy, a boomerang. He's not. He's not even a millennium falcon like me. What he is a generation shh. I know, you don't get the joke. You've got to get yourself some Chinese friends. They will tell you why this joke is funny. Like if Elon Musk went to China, right? And he goes to a hotel. It's a beautiful place. It's awesome. Maybe it's the Ritz-Carlton or whatever. And then he's got his phone, right? He's got his phone in his hand, and he's trying to get on his favorite platform of all time. But you know that it's quiet. It's a shh platform. And he's struggling to get on it, so he goes to the help desk. He says, "I'd like to get on my platform here. I'm having a problem with the internet. It's this platform right here. How do you say that? Shh. It's this one here. I'd like to get on shh. On shh." Anyway. It's okay. I'm not sure if I should explain why this is so funny. But, it's just one of those things. You either get it or you don't. And Generation Shh is the quietest because nobody knows about it. The only people that are always against each other are the famous boomerangs against the Millennium Falcons. Anyway, thought I'd show you guys some postcards from an awesome place. Yes, you can go to Canterbury, Kent, which is a really awesome place where I did my master's degree and my bachelor's degree, which is a really cool place. Back in those days, I looked like this. And this is one of my favorite photographs of all time. My good friend, Frankster. I can't say exactly who he is because I don't want to get in trouble. These days, I have to be very careful. I have to be so careful when I show things or make recommendations about restaurants and stuff and people and places because, you don't want them to get in trouble because of the things that I did. But I do want to talk about this cool thing here, which is Irvine Standard. Irvine Standard. And look at this. We've got more awesome ballet stuff going on. Coming Home, Sophia Koo. Awesome. Go check her out. It's probably going to be one of those cool things. And then there's culinary arts. There's a gallery. Look at that. Go check them